friends. Today we'll talk about a very unique and common Indian bird, one we often see around us, but perhaps don't know much about. The bird's name is the red-wattled lapwing, known as Titihari or Titodi in Hindi. This bird is easily seen in rural areas, fields, and near water sources in India. I'll share some special features about it at the end of the video, which few people may know. Scientific name. Its scientific name is Vanellus indicus. Identification. It is a medium-sized bird, approximately 32 to 35 centimeters long. Its main identification marks are the red fleshy wattles in front of its eyes, its red beak, and its yellow legs. Its body is brownish gray, with a black stripe on its neck and chest. Habitat. The Titihari is primarily a ground-dwelling bird. It never perches on trees because its claws are so shaped that it cannot grip branches. It can often be seen in small groups near water sources, such as lakes, river banks, and fields. Voice. Its call is very shrill and harsh, sounding like, "Did he do it?" or "Pity to do it." For this reason, it is also known as the "Did he do it" bird in English. Behavior. These birds are very alert and will alert others with a loud call whenever they detect any intrusion or danger. Diet. The red-wattled lapwing is primarily a carnivorous, insectivorous bird. Its diet is diverse, including insects and invertebrates. It eats a variety of insects, such as beetles, ants, termites, grasshoppers, and caterpillars. Other small creatures, snails, earthworms, spiders, and small crustaceans are also part of its diet. Occasionally, it may also eat small amphibians and fish. Vegetation. In addition to its carnivorous diet, the Titodi occasionally eats plants, including seeds and grains. It has also been observed feeding on grains from crops such as rice, maize, and sorghum. The Titodi typically picks its food from the ground or soft soil, often using its feet to dig out insects. It is active during the day but may also feed at night, especially around the full moon. It feeds primarily on insects, snails, and other invertebrates. Nesting and breeding. It nests on the ground, often in fields or grasslands. Eggs are laid on the ground, and it becomes very aggressive to protect its eggs, sometimes even attacking. It typically breeds between February and August, laying up to 4 eggs in an open hole on the ground. It is a local bird and does not migrate, remaining in its preferred habitat year-round. Cultural beliefs. There are folktales and beliefs associated with the Titi in many parts of India. In some places, it is believed that it can predict the weather or that its eggs indicate the coming monsoon. Here are some of the red-wattled lapwings, Titodi, unique characteristics that may be less well known. Never perches on trees. This is the most important characteristic. The structure of the lapwing's feet, claws, is such that it cannot perch on a tree branch or power line. It spends its entire life on the ground or near water. Night hunter. Although active during the day, it is primarily nocturnal or crepuscular. It forages for most of its food, insects, in the dark of night or at dawn, when many predators are inactive. Weather prediction. There is a widespread folk belief in rural India that the location and number of lapwing eggs can predict the coming monsoon. It is believed that if she lays eggs in a high, dry place, there will be good rainfall, and if she lays a single egg in an area with less rainfall, there will be less rainfall. Mobbing. When their nest or eggs are threatened, tits don't just make noise, they actually attack. They have often been observed diving on the heads of dogs, cats, and even humans to scare them away. This behavior is called mobbing. Excellent egg camouflage. Their eggs blend so well into the ground, among pebbles and soil, that they are almost impossible to detect. This camouflage protects them from predators. Unique water behavior. Some reports have observed that during extreme heat, tits wet their belly feathers to bring water to keep their eggs cool. This behavior protects their eggs from extreme temperatures. The red-wattled lapwing has 4 recognized subspecies. The subspecies found in and around India vary depending on their geographical distribution. The 4 subspecies and their distribution are as follows: Vanellus indicus indicus. This is the most common subspecies in the Indian subcontinent, found from central Pakistan to Nepal, northeastern India, and Bangladesh. Vanellus indicus anri. It is found in parts of Western Asia, including Iran and Iraq, from southeastern Turkey to Pakistan. Vanellus indicus lanke. As the name suggests, this subspecies is primarily endemic to Sri Lanka. Vanellus indicus atronochalis. It is found from northeast India to Southeast Asia, including southern China, the Malay Peninsula, and northern Sumatra. The subspecies Vanellus indicus indicus is found mainly in India, and the subspecies Vanellus indicus atronochalis is found in the northeast.